Imagine two identical factories. In the first, maintenance is reactive. Things run until they fail. A bearing seizes, production stops, costs spike, and the team scrambles. In the second factory, maintenance is predictive. A technician uses ultrasound to listen for problems you can't hear. Early friction, impacts, leaks, and electrical issues before they become failures. Ultrasound turns tiny changes into clear signals so teams can plan repairs, order parts, and schedule work without surprise downtime. Reactive maintenance waits for the breakdown. Predictive maintenance finds the warning signs early. Same equipment, totally different outcome.